This is day one of creating my own language app because I fucking hate learning languages. You know, like I'm a top-down guy. You know what top-down mean? I see a car, I see the vision. Then I know, okay, how to make the wheels, how to make the windshield, how to make the engine. So I need to have the big picture. The problem is with learning languages and with most common softwares, apps, etc. You have basic words, you have grammar, and then you form sentences. Yes, I know I don't have the intrinsic motivation to learn the words, to learn the grammar, and then I can speak. I want to have a coffee or something. No, I'm a top-down guy, so I need to have something, you know, like the car. I need to have like an example. Start somewhere. Of course, I can't start at the top, but like I have a concept. So it's a pyramid. I need to have the vision. I want to learn a language. I will learn Spanish, by the way, but I hate it. But I like to travel. And in each sector of the pyramid, I created another pyramid. So you start somewhere here. You have no idea what you're doing, but you have a vision. So you want to learn. Then you reach 20%. Yes, finally here. And you go to next level, 40%. And you have no idea what you're doing again. So you see a vision, you have examples, and you're in cold water again. So my MVP is the following. So you see like an article or like 3 sentences. You translate them to the language you want to learn. For example, this is Spanish. And then you translate it to your native language, for example, English. So you made it. You look maybe some words up, but this is cool because your brain is working. You progress. You have a concept. And you know, okay, what does it mean? And then you have like translated it finally. Okay, here's the cool part. You translate it back from English to Spanish. Because then your brain translated it and you reverse engineered. Okay, what was the native sentence? What was the original sentence? And you translate it back. And I think this is a really cool thing. Of course, you need to have in additional tools and software, but this is my MVP. So the strategy is you have an example. Then from this example or multiple examples, you create patterns, you analyze different sections of the sentence and you get an idea, okay, what does it mean? I have this, like I have this car. This car, okay, I know this is the wheel, this is the wheel too, this is the engine, but you have no clue which the words are meaning, but you have the pattern. This is really cool. And then at some point you learn the words, because you know, like a car needs to have 4 wheels. Maybe, but in most cases. And a car needs to have an engine. There are different engines.